Hello guys, my name is Hannah. Today I'm going to show you how to get a background on Chromebook. So just search up whatever, I'm just going to search up a corgi. You can put wallpaper for laptop. Doesn't really matter. So I'll just choose a really cute one like this one right here. Okay, so you're going to click Save Image As. And if you're on a mouse, you would click on the right side so you can save the image. So you get to name it. I'll just name it Corgi. So say it like this. And to do on a mouse pad, you just tap it with 2 fingers. So you can just get out of that. Now you're gonna tap with 2 fingers again and then click Set Wallpaper. And then you click My Images. Then here's my picture. So it's very cute. I like corgis. So yeah, that's how you get a background on your Chromebook. So yeah.